student of Sabaragama University of Sri Lanka. Today I am going to talk about a person. He is a Russian communist and he is a politician as well as a political theoretician. When I am saying those features, you will imagine a lot of people like Karl Marx, Friedrich Engels, V.I. Lenin. Yes, you are correct. I chose V.I. Lenin to describe today. V.I. Lenin was born in 1870 and he was died in 1924. He followed Karl Marx and Friedrich Engels. He created Leninism also, and he do lot of works. Among those works, I chose the State and Revolution book. So today I am going to explain about the first chapter of this book. Let's see what are the features that's on in the first chapter. In first chapter, he was described how our state is raised, how our state is formed, and he especially said there are some opportunists. By those opportunists, they are ruin the Marx ideas. So to recorrect those errors, Marx followed the Engels, and he got some quotation from the Engels, the origin of the family, private property, and the state book. So he want to recorrect the Marxism idea, the ruined by the opportunist, and he want to spread the Marx idea from this book. And he divided this chapter under the 4 topics. Let's see what are the features in that under the 4 topics. As I mentioned earlier, there are a lot of opportunists. As an example, Lenin quoted like Kautsky. Kautsky, after the death of the Engels, he renewed the Marxist ideas. V.I. Lenin said those ideas are not correct. So V.I. Lenin wants to recorrect those errors and spread his methods, Marxist methods, throughout the people. And he explained by quoting those quotations will be not interested to the people, but people should know those quotations. And according to the Marxism, V.I. Lenin explained the state is as under his first topic, state is a result of the class struggle. And according to Marxist, V.I. Lenin said, a state is the result of the class struggle. The state is still existing. That means classes are not diminished from the society. That is stable one. And according to the Marxism, V.I. Lenin explained state is an organ. State is an organ, and it is an organ of the bourgeoisie, and it is the instrument that used by one class to oppress another class, and it creates orders also. And according to the bourgeoisie, state is not an instrument oppressing one class. This is reconcile the classes. In 1917, there was a question, and the people request immediate answer for that question. That question was, what are the importance and role of the state? For that, all social revolutionists and all Mensheviks are both the bourgeoisie side. That means state is reconcile the classes. V.I. Lenin said all social revolutionists and all Mensheviks are not the Marxist. They are only showing. They are following the Marxism, but they are not the actual Marxist people. Let's see what are the things under the second topic. His second topic is about the special bodies. According to the V.I. Lenin, he said the state is raised because of the class struggle. That means the state is raised through among the society. So he called this state as a power. That power, that means state use their powers by using the armed forces, army, police, etc. And Engels especially focus his attention for the class conscious workers. Because of that reason, V.I. Lenin also said we should talk about those special bodies. And V.I. Lenin said there are a lot of prejudice. That means that prejudice are people believe army, police are the instrument of the state. Instrument of the state means instrument of the bourgeoisie. Army and police used for the oppress the proletariats. V.I. Lenin said, still we can create the society without the state, according to the V.I. Lenin. But he said there are two problems. Those two problems are always classes also ready to fighting, ready to struggle with each other, and those armed forces also ready to use their weapons to oppress the proletariats. That is the brief summary about under the second topic. Let's see what is in the third topic. Let's see what are the things under the third topic. Third topic, V.I. Lenin said, state is the instrument that used to exploit the classes. As a state, they announced lot of taxes for the people, and they state have lot of officers. Those officers also got lot of privileges from the state. Because of that, officers also are also staying about the society. Because of that, people ask why these officers and state is staying about the society. One person give answer to that: state arised among the society, and in earlier state have slaves and serfs to do their works. Today they have labors and capitals. And V.I. Lenin especially said those bourgeoisies are the minority of the society, and these proletariats are the majority of the society. But minority oppress the majority, that doing because of the state's power. And V.I. Lenin said majority of the proletariats are not capable enough to control the minority of the bourgeoisie. That is the gist in the third topic. Let's see what are the things under the fourth topic. His fourth topic is withering away the state. Under this topic, V.I. Lenin wants to describe the expectation of the Karl Marx. Expectation of the Karl Marx, one and main expectation was the banish the state from the society. He said minority of the bourgeoisie controlled the majority of the proletariats. That is not good. Karl Marx want to create a society that proletariats rule the state. Like bourgeoisie, proletariats are not going to oppress or exploit the bourgeoisie. They are work to banish the state. That is called as the abolish state as a state. And they have the slogan. That slogan is the free people's state. Actually, that is not only a slogan, that was their secret word. Karl Marx said without the state, society can exist, but without the society, state cannot exist. So today I describe the first chapter of the State and Revolution book written by the V.I. Lenin. From this chapter, first chapter, V.I. Lenin wants to recorrect the Marxist ideas, errors that created by some opportunists, and he want to spread the Karl Marx and Friedrich Engels, mainly Marxism ideas throughout the people. So from my this video, I hope you will get some kind of information and some kind of idea about the first chapter, and you will get some idea about what is the Marxism and what is the ideas that expressed by the V.I. Lenin about the Karl Marx and Friedrich Engels. So I hope you will get some kind of information from this video, and thank you.